Congrats, champ! You've just made the smartest decision of your day by clicking on this video. No, seriously, this is the peak of your productivity, so buckle up. Now let me ask you something. You think you're good at games? I mean, really good? Let's find out. Play a game with me. If you're in, click yes. If not, click I'm crazy, because honestly, why wouldn't you? But wait, this isn't just any game. Oh no, this is a portal straight back to your childhood. Nostalgia overload incoming. And the best part, the prizes. Win and you'll score a pair of custom sneakers and a one-of-a-kind t-shirt that screams, I'm cooler than you. Ready? Let's go. Level 1, name that yellow furball. All right, kids from the 1980s and beyond, raise your hand if you know this character. Boom! It's Pikachu. You know, from that legendary Pokemon franchise that dropped in the 1990s like a cultural nuke on our childhoods. I watched it every single day, and I'm not ashamed to admit I'd still do it now. Pikachu was my spirit animal. Yours too, don't lie. Now, here's your question for this round. If Pikachu can generate enough electricity to power a small town, does that mean we could technically use Pikachu to charge Teslas and solve the energy crisis? Answer below, but hold up, you're not done yet. Gather 3 more answers to complete this level, and don't even think about leaving, or you'll miss your shot at those custom kicks and shirt. Trust me, FOMO is real. Level 2. Who lives in a pineapple under the sea next challenge? We're diving underwater to meet a trio of quirky characters with wildly different vibes. First up, a yellow, square-faced oddball.
Adventure's calling, don't you know? Oh, who lives in a pineapple under the sea? SpongeBob SquarePants, that's who it be. Absorbent yellow porous disease. SpongeBob SquarePants, just wait and see. Oh, working at the Krusty Krab, flipping patties all day, with Mr. Krabs yelling more.
Next, a grumpy green dude who, let's be real, looks like he hasn't slept since 2003.
We're out of here. Oh, who's got a clarinet and scowls with such glee?
Squidward tentacles,
Cynical and surly and artist wannabe.
Squidward tentacles,
Clarinet solos be something you crave.
Squidward tentacles,
Visit his house, he won't give you a wave.
Squidward tentacles, ready!
Squidward tentacles, Squidward tentacles, Squidward tentacles, Squidward. Are you ready, kids? Sort of, Captain.
I can hear you.
We're out of here. Oh, who's got a clarinet and scowls with such glee?
Squidward tentacles,
Cynical and surly and artist wannabe.
Squidward tentacles,
Clarinet solos be something you crave.
Squidward tentacles,
Visit his house, he won't give you a wave.
Squidward tentacles.
And finally, a pink blob with a belly that screams too much dessert and makeup that could use some blending. Any guesses? Yep, it's the iconic trio from SpongeBob SquarePants. If you were born after the 1990s, especially in 1999, this show probably shaped your sense of humor. It's a Nickelodeon classic, and my 2020-born niece still binge-watches it. Meanwhile, I'm here wondering why my SpongeBob drawing tutorials don't get millions of views. Thanks, YouTube. Totally fair. Back to the game. Tell me, what's wrong with my SpongeBob drawing? Drop your answer in the comments. Congrats on making it halfway, but let me warn you, if you bail now, you're gonna regret it, big time.
Don't feel that, cause Patrick too busy with that butt clap. Booty, butt, cheek, butt, clap. That prank got the booty that fat. Booty, butt, cheek, butt, clap. Starfish got caveman, that's a fact. Yo, SpongeBob said, Pat, what's the deal? Why your booty looking like 2 Krabby Patties for real? Patrick smiled back, said, boy, don't hate.
Final level, wubba lubba dub done. You made it to the last round, my friend. You're a legend. But let's see if you can go the distance. Ready? Here's the challenge. Guess what I'm drawing next? Hint, it's from a show that premiered way later than the last two, 2013 to be exact. Yep, it's Rick and Morty. And don't pretend you're too grown up to watch it. Even us almost 30-year-olds are addicted. This show is like caffeine for the soul.
Literature, for instance, the fans understand.
strange people who dislike Rick and Morty truly are idiots. Of course they wouldn't appreciate, for instance.
Now watch as I sketch Rick's face in 4 wildly different styles. Morty too. Pick your favorite. Are you Team Rick or Team Morty? Here's your final question. Without rewatching the video, no cheating you big kids, tell me what 2 colors I used for Rick's face in the top right corner and what color shirt Morty's rocking in the bottom left corner. Go ahead, rack your brain. I'll wait.
Rick and Morty, Rick and Morty, Rick and Morty, Mr. Bass like some young. He smell like Don. He ain't dumb, he not a bum. He can run. Mr. Bass. Morty and Rick, Rick and Morty, 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 Mr. Bass like some young. He smell like Don. He ain't dumb, he not a bum. He can run. Mr. Bass.
What happens next? I'll reveal the answers once we hit 10 participants. So tag your friends, your mom, your dog, whoever. And if nobody plays, well, I'll just wear that t-shirt and those sneakers myself and cry into a bag of Doritos every night. Your call. Let the games begin.